Hi, during this tutorial we're going to cover creating new items within Gabby. To do that you need to be in admin mode. So we'll tap on the Info button, we'll tap on the Settings button, tap on Application, and then tap on the padlock to unlock admin mode. Type in the password, tap Save, tap OK, and then tap back, and we'll go back to the main screen. So now you can see we're in admin mode because the special hidden tags folder is showing. And if we scroll all the way to the left, you can see we have two new items in our menu bar. One is called New Folder, the other is called New Item. So what we're going to do is go to the test folder that I created for this demonstration and add a new item. We'll click on New Item, and it takes us to an Item Properties page. On this page, you can change the image, you can change the folders or tags that are associated to this item, you can change the audio, you can change the phrase or phonetic phrase, you can choose whether or not to share this with other users, or you can create a special note to let other users or people know what this means to you. Now what I'm going to do is tap on the Edit Image button to change the image. The new image or the Edit Image screen pops up, and from here you can either select an image from your photo album, or you can take a picture with your camera if your device has a camera. The other items on here allow you to manipulate the image, allows you to flip it horizontal or vertical, rotate it left or right. And then the last item on here is the web button, allows you to go out to the web and select an image from there. And that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to add a new bike, so I'm going to search for the phrase bike. And we're going to select this nifty little yellow bike right here. Tap on full size image. And then we're going to tap on capture to capture that back into Gabby. Tap back to go back to our edit image screen. You can see that the image has been brought back. Now the last thing I'm going to do here is change the phrase, say my new bike. We'll save those changes and go back to our item properties page. So you can see that the phrase has changed to my new bike. We have our new image. And now what we're going to do is change the tags that are associated to this. So we'll click on the tags. And these are all the folders or tags that we have within our system right now. So this is a bike that I want to use at school, so I'm going to add it to our school folder. You can see that it's already added to the test folder because that's where we initially created our item. We'll tap on Save, tap on OK, and we'll go back. So then the next thing I want to do is associate audio to this item. To do that, you click on the record button, you say the words that you want to record, and then you click the record button again to end the recording. So I'm going to do that now. This is my new bike. To play it back, you click on play. This is my new bike. To delete it or clear it out, you click the clear button. What we want to do now is share this item with other users and save those changes. So if you want to hear how the phrase is going to be spoken by the text-to-speech engine, you can click on Speak.
My new bike.
And it'll speak it for you. So you can tweak the phonetic phrase and the phrase by clicking the speech button here, or the speak button. The other thing you can do here is delete the image if you're editing an image to get rid of it. So the way Gabby works is if you have audio recorded, it will first try to play that audio. If there's no audio, it will try to speak the phonetic phrase. If there's no phonetic phrase, it will try to speak the phrase. So we're going to go back. And you can see my new bike has been added to the test folder. And if I click on it, this is my new bike. It plays the audio that's associated to it. Now you can see that the text has changed to red, and the red text indicates that there's audio associated to it. So if there was just a phrase or a phonetic phrase and no audio, it would be black text. So the next thing we're going to do is validate that this bike is in our school folder as well. And I know the school folder is in the Places folder. Go to School, and you can see that my new bike is there. Now let's say something isn't quite right and I want to edit my new bike. I can double click it and it'll take me back to the page. And I can change whatever I want, save those changes, and then go back. And then the last thing you should do after modifying Gabby is go back in and change it back to user mode so that when the user uses it, he's not changing stuff accidentally. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for your time.